Everybody, this one here is for my sister Brianna. I gave her a hand on how to change out a light bulb on her bad boy Fiat, and anyone else that has a Fiat 500. Alrighty, check this out. Get to the hood latch and pull that bad boy. Fiat. Get that red tab there. Pop this hood. Now we'll just take this cover off here, slide it to the left, pop it out like so, set that aside. Now we'll get to this light bulb assembly here, turn to the left and pull out just like so. And we'll get ready to separate it. Now because this clip is missing, we just pull and separate and get the new headlight here to install and just push it together. Now because this clip is broken, I'll have to replace this pigtail connector later, so we'll just install it for now. Get this to push in and line up the tabs. Once these are lined up, we'll just push in with a little pressure and turn it to the right. You see it lock up right there. Now just install the cover, turn it to the right to lock in place, and we're back together.